Welcome to Road Solver tutorials. In this tutorial, we will going to see the chapter of vertical alignment reports from the Road Solver. Now we open the Road Solver. From the Road Solver, just you can check the vertical alignment tab. So from here you have already that is a PVI table and there is a PGL table. This PGL table, it will be used for the sectional calculations and layer calculations. For the general, you can take it from the PVA table only. So the PVA table you can input direct, and the PGL table also you can input direct. There is additional option which is calculate PGL from the PVA option also. Just you can select as per ground or so variables. So you can calculate the PGL automatically also. Now we will going to see the report. In the report, you go to vertical alignment. There is a curve data report and profile grade report. First one we choose the now press this PDF, so you can get the PVA full data report for the PVT station and the PVC station. And there is a grade in, grade to, grade out. There is a K value, radius and everything. So whatever this design data will be calculated and appear in this report. That we can check it with this our design data. It will be right or wrong. Okay. Also we can go to profile grade. There is option for the serial and random. Random, just you can see the values only in the screen. I can choose this one. You can write the 10 any station. Okay, press, so the elevation will be appear in the screen. So same like that in the serial also you have to give 675. So I give 5000. So this I can make it every 10 meter. So if you generate the PDF, the PGL value every 10 meter will be calculated. Okay. So this report you can generate in the Excel file also. So you can press that option and print PGL value, press save. So the file will be created. You can check that PGL is here. So you can double click of this file. So there is a station and PGL values which is appear in the Excel sheet. And this is a method. Also there is a print direct to the printer also. There is 3 print option will be available for this vertical alignment reports. Thank you.